So we know for a fact that AI plus PLR is the dynamic duo when it comes to creating information products, digital information products that we can sell like I do over at Warrior Plus today, yesterday, the last 30 days, and last month. Of course, this follows my proven 9-step roadmap inside of the affiliating 9-step roadmap for building a profitable online business using my proven top strategy of generating traffic to an offer and then adding people to an email list. Really, what we're talking about here when we're talking about building GPTs the right way is figuring out how to create an offer. And one of the things that we do with PLR plus AI is craft really good, high quality offers that solve a problem. Now, if I had a piece of PLR like this document right here, 10ways.txt. 10ways.txt is a piece of PLR. It is a piece of content that I purchased the license rights, the rights to take and make it my own. This is 10 ways to find content ideas with AI. So this is literally just a piece of content that I purchased about 10 ways to find content ideas with AI. Now I can take this and using AI, I can make a lot of different things. But if I want to create a custom GPT out of this, and I was to just go to Chat GPT and I was to say, I want to build a GPT from this PLR that I have, it's going to walk through the process. Step 1, come up with a GPT name. Step 2, profile and one-liner. Step 3, the instructions. These are the instructions that you'll paste into the GPT builder. Then you need to upload knowledge files. You need to figure out the capabilities that you want to use. You need to then think about what it should know how to do. Then there is a JSON schema here to use every time unless the user asks for prose. Unless the human asks for actual words to be printed out on the screen like you would read in human readable format, this is the way that a GPT and ChatGPT would prefer, an AI LLM would prefer to have a conversation. Then you have to figure out the conversation starters you want. You had to add some guardrails, fast validation prompts, optional monetization wrapper. Then it asks you if you're ready now to spin up the first branded outputs rights now. If you're ready to build the GPT based upon all these steps with all this information, and there's nothing wrong with that, but the right way to do it is hidden inside of this product called the 5-Minute Fortune. Now, there is a link in the description. It'll take you over my bonus page, how to turn tiny 5-minute AI bots and PLR into real income without getting stuck guessing or wasting another course you'll never finish. I have a full review video that walks through this training, as well as a video here that shows you a demo of the piece of the puzzle that is going to turn what you see here into a better way, a simpler, more efficient way to create a quality GPT that you can turn into something that you can give away for lead generation or something you could sell based on, again, the 5-Minute Fortune. This is the training inside of the members area. There is a GPT called the GPT Factory. Click on that. It's going to open this up. Now I take that same 10ways.txt document and I tell the GPT Factory, remember I'm here inside of the GPT Factory right here from David Espinino. Him and Jeremy Kennedy, David Espinino and Jeremy Kennedy have put together this 5-Minute Fortune training and have included this GPT Factory GPT. The GPT Factory is a custom GPT builder that builds and helps you monetize your custom GPTs. Now I've loaded that 10ways.txt, that PLR, up into this GPT Factory, and I said I want to build a GPT from this PLR that I have. Awesome, let's turn that PLR into a money-making custom GPT. I'll follow the GPT Factory system so you can ship it fast. Step 1, real-world problems this GPT should solve. Here, it's reading the PLR and it's turning it into real problems that it has determined from the PLR. Step 2, these are the ideas that you could build. These are the GPT ideas. These are the GPTs that you could build directly from the PLR. Generic ideas are bland. We could build the Idea Igniter GPT, collects audience tone and goals, returns tailored blog, email, video ideas, and opens this email hook. Here we have a Trend Radar GPT, surfaces 30 to 90-day niche trends by by platform hashtag season. Add your brand twist to suggestions. Untapped content ideas, a GPT, the Gap Hunter GPT. A GPT that finds topics with weak, outdated coverage and outputs outlines that go deeper than current SERP leaders. Competition or competitor content mapper summarizes a rival's topic across blog, YouTube, podcasts, and suggests unique angles and expansions. Then we have the drill down detector. Again, these are all GPTs, individual GPTs that you could make and use for lead generation and or sell or add them to a membership if you're showing people how to do the things, the 10 ways to build content with AI. Now you can provide them GPTs. Or if you want only one, you could build a content idea factory GPT that bundles all 5 of these into one big GPT. Then you just need to move to step 3 inside of the GPT factory, which is pick your next move. It's going to walk through the GPT blueprint that is the recommended and the what I would call the right way to build a GPT, versus trying to sift through all this, which is great information. And you actually need to spend time and understand what ChatGPT is telling you here about building a GPT from PLR or any thought or any idea that you have. This is great. But if we just want to skip ahead and go through the phases, define and plan, build a GPT, and have a plan to monetize and promote the different GPTs, we just want to use the GPT factory. And the question it's going to ask you now, want me to build it with you right now? All you need to do is reply with these 3 things, and I'll generate the instructions, starter questions, and a ready-to-pay CTA block based on your PLR. Now, the link in the description, like I said, I did a full review, and I actually showed you how I built a GPT with this. So if you want to see the GPT builder or the GPT factory actually work and what these next steps are, then watch those videos. Click the link in the description, check out those videos, and then pick up the 5-minute fortune. Now, there'll be some stuff on the sales page about making $100,000 over like 3 months or something. That's great. And Dave did that, and Jeremy's making money. I'm making money like I showed you at the beginning of this video, and GPTs are here to stay. But this GPT factory plus PLR, I really want you to see what this is doing. All right. So now I'm going to show you another example. I want to build a GPT from this PLR that I have. This is 8 ways. This PLR, the real world problems that this PLR solves is a trust gap. Audiences are tired of hype and want honest, value-driven recommendations. People overspend on overhyped or flimsy product. This is about how to actually be an influencer, but not the hypey, overdone influencer, but just bringing it down to real world, honest reviews and showing people how to actually pick a product or maybe pick an alternative product. People overspend on overhyped or flimsy products. They want proven dupes or, duplicates or things that they can use as alternatives or better built alternatives. Small creators struggle to monetize micro niches, built-in platforms. Anyway, understand what this is doing. The GPT factory is taking step 1 for you, and it's breaking down the real world problems that this 8ways.txt PLR solves. Then it's going to give you GPT ideas, and you can see here we have the dupe detective GPT. Paste a product or link. It's going to return an affordable dupe or a higher quality alternative, plus a short proof side-by-side notes why it's better, then offers a single helpful affiliate link. So you can see here instantly how you're going to be able to monetize this 8ways.txt PLR. It's going to create a dupe detective GPT. It's going to present alternatives or an affordable duplicate, a duplicate that you could replace with the higher priced, maybe overhyped product, and then you're going to insert your affiliate link. And again, all that training about how to monetize these GPTs is in the 5-minute fortune members area, but I'm really focused on this GPT factory. They do have GPT factory advanced and some examples here and 10 different ways to monetize, which shows you the power of this strategy, the 5-minute fortune strategy, which again falls in line with my strategy of traffic to an offer, putting people on an email list. In this case, I'll say it again, the GPT is going to fall here primarily under offer. It's going to allow you to build your email list or just sell directly or you could just sell the GPT directly that you create. And again, all I'm doing is uploading 8ways.txt PLR, which for completeness, I'll bring up here on the screen and show you. 8 ways to make money as a de-influencer. Consumers have become blind to the endless sales pitch. Open any social media feed and you'll see a parade of influencers raving about the next miracle, serum, gadget, or course. This PLR is 8 ways to make money as a de-influencer, or an influencer that actually, quote unquote, tells the truth about products and provides alternatives. All right. So it's going to give you those. And that's just one, the dupe detective GPT. Here you have the micro niche monetizer GPT. It's going to identify niches, target personas, and recommend platforms to feature or platform features to turn on, and a three-step action checklist. Then you have here a subscription sanity check GPT. And again, it's all about the different ways that are here, 8 different ways. But you're not just providing people like an old-fashioned checklist or a PDF where they read the 8 ways. You're giving them a real actionable GPT that solves a problem. Then again, the GPT Factory step 3 is going to tell you, okay, let's go. We need to go through the 3 phases. Tell me which one you want, and we'll produce the full copy and paste blueprint in this chat to develop any one of these GPTs from this PLR. I have one more example. 8 steps you can take to reduce financial stress. This one's a little bit different. It's in sort of a different niche than sort of just AI and making money online. It's literally 8 steps you can take to reduce financial stress. It's a very short piece of PLR, and I want to build a GPT from it. Step 1, the real world problems that your PLR tackles. The GPT Factory is breaking this down for you in the very first step, and it's saying these are real world problems, meaning these are problems that people will pay money for if you provide a solution. Oh yeah, by the way, step 2, here are the ideas that solve each problem. A debt snapshot GPT prompts the user to list balances, APRs, and minimums, and outputs a 1-page snapshot of total owed plus due rates. Reduces avoidance, creates clarity fast for people that are trying to avoid stress, their financial stress. You can do this with the debt snapshot GPT. Someone has this problem. My spending habits keep derailing me. The Money Thermostat Coach, a 7-minute reflective Q&A that identifies triggers and returns 3 behavior swaps, plus a 14-day check-in plan. It targets the root cause, and it's not just tactics. So it's targeting the root causes, not just the tactics or techniques for solving the problem, but actually helping people determine why they have the problem. Here's a GPT. If someone says, I need to pay down debt faster, Interest Avalanche Planner ranks debt by highest APR. First, generates a month-by-month payoff plan and shows how to roll freed payments to the next debt. Bills and cards are out of control. The expense kill switch GPT. I can't seem to save anything. The $10 starter saver sets a tiny weekly transfer, tracks streaks, and celebrates milestones. This would be the go-to GPT that would actually get people to start saving, starting with $10 to reduce and or eliminate their financial stress. Step 3, your move. Are you ready? Which one do you want me to build first? Then you would start giving these away. This falls directly in my proven top strategy of generating traffic by picking a topic. We saw 3 different topics with 3 different pieces of PLR, and that financial stress PLR, when I put that into the GPT builder from the 5-minute fortune, and I was like, wow, these are real tools, real world tools that if you're talking about this topic about financial stress or how to save money or how to create a budget, if you're creating consistent content about this topic, if you were to provide any one or all 5 of those GPTs as an offer, do you think someone would exchange their email list from a super simple lead magnet and allow you to build your email list, or as a bonus for an affiliate product that you're promoting, or just your offer itself while you're building your email list, of course, to profit and scale your profitable online business, and or just to do affiliate marketing from thinking about the real world problems that this PLR tackles and these GPTs that actually solve the problems, and the GPT Factory is going to build them for you with one answer here. Yes, I'm ready to build them. All this is inside the 5-Minute Fortune training. Again, there's a link in the description. It'll take you over to my bonus page. Check out these videos where I review the 5-Minute Fortune and tell you exactly what the training is and what it's not. Also, I show you how to actually build a GPT from scratch, or how I built a GPT from scratch in 5 minutes and actually use it in my affiliating school community. Then all you need to do is scroll down here and there's a green button. You click on that green button, it'll take you over to the sales page. And again, they have chosen this angle for the headline, how Dave banked over $134,233 in the last 3 months with tiny 5-minute AI bots people can't resist. Zero code, zero programming, and zero technical or marketing skills whatsoever. Yes, I want the 5-Minute Fortune. It's unfortunate that they took this angle, or I think it's unfortunate they took this angle, because I don't really believe in the hype of this. Because honestly, you're not going to make $100,000 in the next day or tomorrow, or probably not in the next 3 months from these AI bots. But long term, when you take it with my strategy of creating traffic to an offer, which now you have a real offer, a super simple lead magnet could be a GPT, a bonus, or additional offers that you could actually sell as your own. But for sure, as an affiliate marketer, you can make money from these and do lead gen to put people on an email list to build and profit from these GPTs as you scale your business. There's a link in the description. Check it out. It'll walk you through everything inside of the 5-Minute Fortune. And remember, the key here is this GPT Factory GPT that they built for you. It's the right way. It is the simple way. You focus on just letting that tool, letting AI, the tool, the GPT that they built, letting it do the heavy lifting for you, and just upload PLR and walk through those 3 steps, and boom, you're in business. All right. Link in the description. Again, I'm super excited about this. And when I discovered this, I was like, I got to make this video. Link in the description. Check out the 5-Minute Fortune. The GPT Factory, the GPT builder is what you're paying for. Don't misunderstand my message here. This is super powerful. Okay. Link in the description. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.